In this lesson, we are going to be looking at the nature, scope, and functions of cost accounting. But as a way of introduction, what then is cost accounting? Cost accounting is a process of collecting, analyzing, summarizing, and evaluating various alternative courses of action. Its goal is to advise the management on the most appropriate course of action based on the cost, efficiency, and capability. Cost accounting provides details cost information that management needs in order to control current operations and then do a plan for the future. Objectives of cost accounting. After studying this lesson, you will be able to describe the nature of cost accounting, the scope of cost accounting, and also outline the various functions of cost accounting. Now, we are going to be looking at the nature of cost accounting. Cost accounting could be discussed, its nature could be discussed under the following headings. One is cost accounting as a branch of knowledge, cost accounting as a science, cost accounting as an art, cost accounting as a profession. What do we mean by cost accounting as a branch of knowledge? Though cost accounting is considered as a branch of financial accounting, but it is one of the important branches of knowledge. That is to say, it is a discipline by itself. It is an organized body of knowledge consisting of its own principles, concepts, and conventions. And these principles and rules vary from industry to industry. Cost accounting is a science. Cost accounting is a science because it's a body of systematic knowledge relating not only to cost accounting, but also to other variety of courses such as law, office practice and procedures, production and material control. Cost accounting as an art. It is an art in the sense that it requires the ability and skill on the part of the cost accountant in applying those principles or methods and techniques of cost accountancy in various management problems. Cost accounting could also be seen as a profession. In recent years, cost accounting has become one of the important professions which have become more challenging. This view can be seen in two major areas. First, their organizations are setting up various professional bodies such as Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, we have the ANAN, we have the National Association of Accountants in USA, we have the Institute Chartered of Management Accountants in UK. Secondly, a large number of students have enrolled in these institutions to obtain certificates and membership that will earn them livelihood in future. Scope of cost accounting. The scope of cost accounting actually is very wide. There are lots of techniques, there are tools, procedures, programs, processes in cost accounting that is used in calculating cost and its control. But basically, we will divide its scopes into three major parts. One is cost ascertainment, there is cost records, and then cost control. Under the cost records, we'll be looking at an aspect of cost accounting where products, materials, labor, and overhead costs are used in calculating the total and per unit cost of a product. Cost records. In this area of cost accounting, cost accountants, they maintain cost books, vouchers, they maintain ledgers, reports, and other cost-related documents for future comparison and reference. Cost control. In this aspect of cost accounting as a scope, cost accountants use different techniques and methods for controlling cost. So cost accountants, they use techniques like budgetary control, standard costing, break-even point analysis, and many other techniques for controlling the cost. Now, let us look at the various functions of cost accounting. We have cost accounting serving as a guide in price fixing product. Cost accounting could also be used to determine whether there are wastages in the process of production. Cost accounting is very effective control on the factors of production. We also use cost accounting to determine or ascertain the profitability of each product. Cost accounting is used by management of organization to expand their future policies. Is also used to organize cost reduction program. Cost accounting could also be used, the information gotten from it is timely because it is used for decision-making purposes. Now, by this, we can conclude this first lesson. Like I have told you, cost accounting is not like financial accounting because they are not subject to rules and standards like the generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP. But in cost accounting, we have looked at the nature of cost accounting, the scope, the functions of cost accounting. We describe the nature of cost accounting as a branch of science, as an art, as a profession. We have also discussed the scope of accounting, and we said the scope is actually very wide, but for this level, we looked at scope, classifying them into cost ascertainment, cost records, and cost control. We concluded by outlining the functions of cost accounting. I know with the few things we have discussed about this course, you go home now and go through them again and come up with what you know as the nature, scope, and functions of cost accounting. By that, it is goodbye.